Breaking news coming in now. In the latest updates coming in, the NDA seat sharing formula is almost finalized and is expected to be announced this afternoon. The expected seat tally would consist of 102 seats by JDU, 101 by BJP, 26 by Chirag Paswan, 8 by Jitan Ram Manjhi and 6 by Upendra Kushwaha. So, of course, now another very, very big development when it comes to the Bihar elections has come about. And this is, of course, we are getting our viewers up to speed with every development that is happening when it comes to the Bihar elections. The latest, of course, is that the NDA seat sharing formula is finalized. Remember, viewers, there was a lot of back and forth happening between who will be allocated how many seats. But that is now a thing of the past, and the list is finally finalized. We've told our viewers that the exact seat tally would consist of 102 seats by JDU, 101 by BJP, 26 by Chirag Paswan, 8 by Jitan Ram Manjhi and 6 by Upendra Kushwaha. Now, if our viewers remember, NewsX had brought our viewers the news of Chirag Paswan not being very happy with the number of seats that he was allocated. But now, of course, that matter is settled. And of course, we'll be bringing our viewers all the details, all those updates on the Bihar elections. I have my colleague Sanjay Sharma joining me. Sanjay, what are the fresh updates? Over to you. संजय जी, आपको मेरी आवाज सुनाई दे रही है? All right, we'll try and get back to my colleague Sanjay Sharma, who is going to give us all these details on the allocation of seats of the Bihar elections. Remember, viewers, this was something that we all really wanted to know how many seats would be allocated to which party, because there was so much back and forth going about how many seats would be allocated. There were a lot of leaders that were not very happy with the number of seats that were being allocated to them. But that, of course, is a thing of the past now. And as we told our viewers that in the latest updates which are coming in, the NDA seat sharing formula is finalized. It has been revealed. The big announcement has been made this afternoon. I have my colleague Ritesh Mishra joining me. Ritesh, what are the fresh updates? Over to you.
बिल्कुल, सबसे बड़े पहले अगर बात करें तो एनडीए अलायंस में लगभग सारी चीजें जो है वो डन हो चुकी हैं। सीट शेयरिंग का जो फॉर्मूला है वो तय हो चुका है, बस अब उसका ऑफिशियल उसका अनाउंसमेंट होना बाकी है। जो जानकारी हमें मिल रही है उसके अनुसार जेडीयू जो है वो 101 से 102 सीट पर चुनाव लड़ सकती है, उससे 1 या 2 कम बीजेपी लड़ेगी। एलजेपी जो है 27 से 28 सीटों पर चुनाव लड़ सकती है। 5 से 7 जो सीटें हैं वो हम पार्टी को दी जाएंगी और जो उपेंद्र कुशवाहा की पार्टी है उन्हें लगभग 6 सीटें दी जाएंगी। यानी फॉर्मूला जो पूरी तरीके से है वो सेट हो चुका है। लेकिन दूसरी तरफ अगर बात करें महागठबंधन की, तो वहां पेच फंसा हुआ है। वहां चाहे वो कांग्रेस पार्टी की बात करें या फिर मुकेश सहनी की पार्टी जो है उसकी बात करें, वहां पर पेच पूरी तरीके से फंसा हुआ है और सीट शेयरिंग को लेकर अभी भी कुछ फाइनलाइज नहीं हो सका है। हालांकि अगर बात करें, राहुल गांधी ने अपने पार्टी के नेताओं को ये साफ तौर पर कह दिया है कि अगर 1-2 दिनों में सीट शेयरिंग पर बात बन जाती है तो बात बन जाती है, नहीं तो फिर आने वाले समय में कांग्रेस जो है वो अकेले भी चुनाव में उतर सकती है।